friends, and welcome to this tutorial on a scratch-based activity themed interesting facts on viruses. What are viruses? Viruses are microscopic objects that have a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA. The core is covered with a capsid, a protective coat made of protein. Viruses are microscopic particles that exist almost everywhere on Earth. They are present in animals, plants, and other living organisms, and they can sometimes cause diseases. So, in this Scratch project, let us learn some interesting facts about 6 main types of viruses using this activity. So what we'll do now is, let us look at the project that is prepared by me. So in Google, I will be putting the URL of my Scratch project. The same URL is being posted down in the description of this video. This is a project that is prepared by me as a part of the training that was held by CIET and NCERT on content preparation and e-content preparation based on a topic using Scratch. So let's open the Scratch project and explore it. This Scratch account is on my name, Malat Viana, and the instructions for this simple activity is very short. You have to just click on the flag and then click on the start button and begin with exploring the facts about different viruses. Enjoy the facts, comment, and feel free to remix the project and make some desirable changes. This project is made for students and teachers who would like to explore more facts about the types of viruses. The idea came about due to the coronavirus pandemic that is going on, and it is a part of the assignment of the workshop on developing digital game-based e-content organized by CIET and NCERT. Now, since we already know a lot about the coronavirus, let's learn about other viruses. So let's start exploring this game first, and then I will be giving you instructions on how I went about creating this activity-based game. So let's press the flag here and let's begin with the game.
I'm a virus.
So you just have to press the start button. And now click on any of the viruses to know their facts. Use the back button.
The structure, the simple, mostly proteins and genes. Package as a sub-micron killing machine. The capsule's made of capsid is self-assembled. Whenever cells see me, they start to tremble inside my capsid is where my genes reside.
You can use the back button to go back to the main screen, wherein you can select any of the viruses and you can read the facts and explore the interesting things about each of the viruses. So we have HIV, hepatitis B, Ebola virus, adenovirus, influenza, bacteriophage. Each of the viruses, when clicked on, will take you to a page wherein you can read about them, and you can get back to the main page and then read about the other viruses. This is a simple game that can be used by anyone. So now let us go about and see inside this interesting activity. First of all, to start off with, I have used a background which is in my costume section if you click on my background here on the down portion, you will see that my backdrops are around 7 to 8 of the backdrops, since this is a GIF image, and I used a code which can switch between the different backdrops and waiting every second using the event blocks and repeating it using control. I can make this image, the backdrop, as a GIF image which can move. So let's see how it moves here. So after pressing the start button, you see that the backdrop is moving along with the topic, interesting facts, viruses. Now we come to the different sprites that I have used. I have 6 main sprites here with different viruses, and each of the sprites, when you click in the sprite section over here, you will know that each of the sprites is being coded using block coding, and I have used simple codes with events and looks. So here are my events, like when backdrop switches to stripes, you hide the sprite. Then when you click on the sprite, the switch backdrop to stripes. So that is how it works. The moment I click on any of the sprite, the background changes, and along with the background, you also can change the content that is written in the background. And I have used an interesting button, which is a back button here. This is my sprite which I have used, the back button, and I have placed it here at the bottom right side of the background image, and I have coded it with simple codes using events and looks. So when backdrop switches to stripes, you show the back button, and when the sprite is clicked, switch the backdrop to light, and then the back button is hidden. So this is a simple code. So the moment you press back button, you come to the main page, and then the same way these other sprites are coded. I have coded the start button this way. Simple code. When the flag is clicked, you show the start button, and when the sprite is clicked, you hide it. So this is the simple code that I have used. In other words, even beginners can prepare this activity for various themes of interesting facts that you can prepare, and it can be used by anyone, absolutely anyone. And I would like to thank CIET and NCERT for giving me an opportunity as a teacher to prepare such kind of scratch programs, scratch projects, wherein I can send to my students and they can explore them and make their own projects. Thank you very much, CIET and NCERT, for giving me this opportunity. Kindly check the link that I have shared in the description section, and you can comment and remix this project as much as you can. And thank you very much for your time.